Assalamualaikum class. Today our sixth lecture of Maths B, which is about angles. In this lecture we will discuss about angles and its types. First of all, we have to know that what is the meaning of angle. So here is the definition of angle. When two straight lines meet at a point, an angle is formed. वो क्या कह रहा है कि जब कोई भी दो स्ट्रेट लाइंस आपस में एक ही पॉइंट पर मिल जाती हैं तो एंगल बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव a picture of an angle in which you can see two straight lines which is made at a point. So here is an angle is formed. Done class? Now our next question is, how many types of angles? There are 4 types of angle. Number 1, right angle. Number 2, acute angle. Number 3, obtuse angle. Number 4, reflex angle. Again repeat with me. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. And you have to learn the spelling of these angles again and again. Done class? Now our next question is, what is the meaning of right angle? So here is the definition. Angle which is equal to the 90 degree is called right angle. And class, you have to remind it, we will use protractor to draw an angle. This is called protractor, which have angles from 0 to 180. Done class? And you can see at a center it is a 90 degree angle. So angle which is equal to the 90 degree is called right angle. Done class? Now our next question is, what is the meaning of acute angle? An angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. वो क्या कह रहा है कि वो एंगल जो कि 90 डिग्री से लेस होगा क्या कहलाएगा? acute angle. For example, if we plot a protractor at this angle, so you can see this angle is less than 90 degree. Because 90 degree at this point, and you can see this angle is less than 90 degree. So an angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Done class? Our next question is, what is the meaning of obtuse angle? Angle which is more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. वो क्या कह रहा है कि एक ऐसा एंगल जो कि 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होता है वो क्या कहलाता है? ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी प्लॉट प्रोट्रैक्टर एट अ सेंटर, सो यू कैन सी this angle is greater than 90 degree because 90 degree is lies at a center and this line is above than 90 degree, so we can say this angle is more than 90 degree, so it is obtuse angle. Done class? Our next question is, what is reflex angle? Angle which is more than 180 degree is called reflex angle. वो क्या कह रहा है कि एक ऐसा एंगल जो कि 180 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होगा क्या कहलाएगा? रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. नाउ यू कैन सी अ प्रोट्रैक्टर. हेयर यू कैन सी 0 to 180 डिग्री. द स्ट्रेट लाइन इज कॉल्ड 180 डिग्री. सो एन एंगल विच इज मोर देन 180. यहाँ पे हम लोग अगर इसको प्लॉट करें और ये आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि ये एंगल 180 डिग्री से भी बिग है, ज़्यादा है. सो एक ऐसा एंगल जो कि 180 डिग्री से बिग होगा वो क्या कहलाएगा? reflex angle. Done class? I hope ये आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया होगा. एंड यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर वन थिंग कि आप लोगों ने 3 क्लास में एंगल्स को ड्रॉ नहीं करना. आप लोगों ने बस इसको रिकॉग्नाइज करना है कि अगर आप लोगों के पास एक पिक्चर सामने आ जाती है तो आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि वो एंगल कौन सा है. डन क्लास? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ एंगल्स. आप लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये वाले एंगल्स कौन कौन से हैं. सो let's start to identify the name of angles. So remind the definition and then recognize the angles. Now if I plot a protractor at a center and you can see this angle is more than 180 degree, so we can say that this angle is reflex angle. Done class? Now let's move to the next angle. If we plot angle at a center and you will see this angle is less than 90 degree, so this angle is called acute angle by the definition. Done class? After that we will move to the next angle. Now in this picture we can see this angle is more than 90 degree. So by the definition an angle which is more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. So the name of this angle is acute obtuse angle. Done class? Now let's move to the next one. This angle is equal to the 90 degree. And by the definition this angle is called right angle. Done class? I hope ये आप लोगों को इनके आइडेंटिफिकेशन बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो चुकी होगी. Now I have some instructions for your parents. Number 1, remind them definition and types of angles. Number 2, make sure your child understand the angles completely. Number 3, do oral and written practice to recognize the types of angles. Thank you so much. Fi Amanillah.